Hey dinos, Kitty Cat here. Are you ready for an interesting fact about the ecosystem? Well, freshwater ecosystems have rare species. Ponds, lakes, streams, and rivers are home to lots of different species that can't live in salty ocean water. They are freshwater ecosystems all over the world. They are home to some amazing creatures. There are many kinds of frogs, fish, insects, and microscopic organisms like amoebas. And there are rare species like river dolphins in Asia and South American otters in North America, beavers in North America and Europe, and platypuses in Australia. Okay, first let's grab our favorite color and write our name. I chose blue to write my name. What did you choose? Gee, I love that color. That's such a great color. Now let's read the directions. It says, color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it one more time. Color the animal according to the number codes. It says that 1 is red, 2 is brown, and 3 is pink. One more time. 1 is red, 2 is brown, 3 is pink. So where it says the number 1, red, we'll color it red. Grab your red crayons and color red where it says 1. There's a picture of the Mr. Bear to my right in case you need help. Great job! You've colored Mr. Bear's ferocious mouth red. Next, it says 2 is brown. So wherever it says 2, let's color it brown. You're doing such a great job at this, dinos. You make me proud every single week. Do my dinos want to hear a joke? Okay, what do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. You get it? A gummy bear. Hey dinos, guess what? Did you know that bears can run faster than humans? Isn't that extraordinary? And they're extraordinary intelligent animals. Great job at coloring Mr. Bear's head brown. Now, the body. Hey dinos, look at your hands. Do you see how long your fingers are? Did you know that bears have long claws that can be the length of a human finger? Isn't that long? Great job at coloring Mr. Bear's body brown. now it says 3 is pink. So where the nose and the ears are, let's grab our pink crayon and color in the 3. Pink. Great job, dinos! Check out Mr. Bear. It looks amazing. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, my dinos!
Hi, everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!